she actually released a statement after sentencing saying, quote, "Despite helpful and positive things I've done and will continue to do, because of my association with Jeffrey Epstein, my life is forever stained. It's the greatest regret of my life ever meeting Jeffrey Epstein." Josh, what's the significance of that statement? I mean, is there still kind of this blame shifting going on even post-sentencing?
Yeah, I think so. And I think even the judge highlighted that Ghislaine is still trying to kind of paint herself with this brush of being a victim herself, that it really was Jeffrey who is the problem, and she was kind of caught up in his whole scheme, just like the girls were. And that just fell on deaf ears with this judge. After hearing the testimony, after realizing her active role in all of this, her leadership role, the way that it was highlighted, the way that she was essentially grooming these young women for the abuse, there was no kind of sympathy there from the judge for how Jeffrey Epstein may have taken advantage of her. The other thing I think to keep in mind is that someone needed to be held responsible for this, and Jeffrey took his own life. So now we only have her standing, and I think that's what you're seeing as well. From the defense perspective, I think they would argue that's not entirely fair. She should stand for the crimes that she herself committed and not just be held responsible for Jeffrey Epstein. But I think that took place here a little bit. I think that may have played a role in the judges and certainly the prosecutors' minds.
Yeah.